Hello there and welcome to the studio. My name is Tosin. I'm a scriptwriter, software solutions architect, a producer, and a DJ. This course will cover what you need to know about mixing using any Akai MPC devices, be it the MPC 1 series, the X series, Live series, Key series, and even on your MPC DAW. You'll be guided through the entire mixing process, specifically using the Akai MPC features and functionalities. Now, whether you are a seasoned MPC or new to mixing altogether, this course will provide valuable techniques to take your production to the next level. I'll be using the MPC X Special Edition for this training, but be rest assured that most of the things covered is applicable even on the other variants of the MPC family earlier mentioned. What you'll be getting from me is a combination of years of hands-on experience as a hardware producer and years of troubleshooting via research on how to do things better on the Akai MPC devices. All the projects and bit samples used in this course will be added to the applicable section under the resource download, where you can actually download them for use. See you in the lessons.